Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland. Today, I'm on a 2020 Galeon 485 HTS. Starting at the swim platform, nice large swim platform, drops down into the water, makes that teak beach for you. Stairs deploy, so whether you're launching or retrieving your dinghy or just going for a swim, absolutely great place to be. Here in the cockpit, lots of seating space, easily room for 8, large table with cup holders integrated. With the window down, really gives you that inside-outside space. A couple of things I like to talk about when I'm talking about a Galeon. First thing you're going to notice is the teak floor. The teak flooring in here is all handmade at the Galeon factory. They quite literally bring in raw teak, mill it down, and fit it to each boat. Upper salon, again, lots of seating, large teak cockpit table, refrigerator as well. Inside the heat and air conditioning, you can really use this no matter what the temperature is. The helm's at the starboard. Double wide seat with a flip-up bolster. Large Raymarine electronic screen, Raymarine autopilot, and the Volvo display. Power on this vessel is the Volvo IPS 600s. It's a pod drive, very efficient. With all the cockpit space topside, the boat's great on a sunny day. Not so nice weather, still a great place to be down below. Large seating, table, lights on either side, television integrated into the wall, and again, lots of extra storage. So as you move towards the galley, there's a 2-burner stove, sink with 2 little compartments, microwave, and a good sized refrigerator. Lots of storage and countertop space as well. Full beam master stateroom, lots of headroom, very light, airy. Again, you really get the feeling that you're in a big yacht here. Large queen size island style bed, walk around both sides. You have great storage compartments off to the starboard, as well as a large hanging locker. The master suite is complete with a master head. Separate shower stall, nice vessel sink, lots of storage both below cabinet and above. In the VIP stateroom, you'll notice there's lots of light throughout. It's both overhead and on either side. Cabinetry all above with lots of storage, including a large hanging locker. So the 485 does have 2 heads. Entrance to this head is both a day head, so right from the main salon, but also from the forward VIP stateroom. Still has a full shower facility, head, vessel sink, and lots of storage. Large bow seating area, cushions on either side, flip-up bimini top. Really great place to spend the afternoon. Again, Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland on the 2020 Galeon 485. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram at MarineMaxMD, YouTube, or stop on into the store. We'd love to show our boat off, get you on the water.